ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಎದುರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತನಿಖೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಎದುರಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಗೋದ್ರಾಜ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ. ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರ. ನಾನು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
High Court upholds Governor Nod to prosecute. CM cries foul. High Court says Governor has applied his mind and has right to take independent decisions. The MUDA case. In a setback to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka High Court on Tuesday dismissed his petition challenging Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot's approval for a probe against him in the MUDA land allotment case. The court said the administrative order nowhere suffers from want of application of mind. He had challenged the legality of Gehlot's sanction for the investigation against him in the alleged irregularities in the allotment of 14 sites to his wife by the Mysuru Urban Development Authority in a prime locality. CM Siddaramaiah had challenged the legality of Gehlot's sanction for the investigation against him in the alleged irregularities in the allotment of 14 sites to his wife by the Mysuru Urban Development Authority in a prime locality. Immediately after the verdict, BJP demanded Siddaramaiah's resignation, to which he hit back and accused the Narendra Modi-led NDA government of indulging in vendetta politics against opposition-ruled state governments including Karnataka. He also rejected the opposition's demand for his resignation. Why should I resign? Has H.D. Kumaraswamy, Union Minister, resigned? He is on bail, Siddaramaiah said at a press conference here. Accusing BJP and JDS of conspiracy misuse of Raj Bhavan, Siddaramaiah said he would not be afraid of them as the people are with him and his party has their blessings. All ministers, including Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, MLAs, party leaders, workers and High Command are with me. High Command will cooperate with me in continuing the legal fight, he said. He also said that he would decide on his next course of action and legal fight after consulting legal experts and party leaders. I still say I have done no wrong, he asserted. The single judge bench of Justice M. Nagaprasanna said in a normal circumstances, a governor has to act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. But the governor can take independent decisions in exceptional circumstances and dismissed Siddaramaiah's petition. No fault can be found with the governor exercising the independent discretion to pass the impunged order, he added. Justice Nagaprasanna completed the hearings on the Chief Minister's petition in 6 sittings from 19 August and on 12 September reserved its verdict. The MUDA case, over which Gehlot accorded sanction for investigation against Siddaramaiah, has its origins more than 3 decades ago. Gehlot on 16th August accorded sanction under Section 17A of the Prevention of Corruption Act. In the petition, the Chief Minister submitted that the sanction order was issued without due application of mind in violation of statutory mandates and contrary to constitutional principles, including the advice of the Council of Ministers, which is binding under Article 163 of the Constitution of India. Siddaramaiah sought quashing of the governor's order, contending that his decision was legally unsustainable, procedurally flawed, and motivated by extraneous considerations. Justice Nagaprasanna said the complainants were justified in registering the complaint or seeking approval at the hands of governor. The facts narrated in the petition would undoubtedly require investigation in the teeth of the fact that the beneficiary of these acts is not anybody outside but the family of petitioner. Justice Nagaprasanna ruled, adding, if the petitioner was not in the seat of power, the benefit of such magnitude would not have flown. The decision of the governor of the alleged hot haste has not vitiated the order, he added. As the judge dismissed the petition, senior counsel Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who appeared for Siddaramaiah, requested the bench to consider a stay. Justice Nagaprasanna said, I can't stay my own order. The petition stands dismissed. Let's look at the MUDA chronology. September 1992, preliminary notification issued to acquire 3.16 acres belonging to Ninga bin Javara to form the third phase of Devanur layout in Mysuru. May 1998, land denotified from acquisition. June 2001, the denotified land is used to form Devanur layout and sites are allotted. November 2003, land restored in the name of the original holder. August 2004, Siddaramaiah's brother-in-law Mallikarjuna Swamy purchases 3.16 acres of agricultural land and converts it for non-agricultural purposes. October 2010, Mallikarjuna Swamy gives the land to his sister Parvati, Siddaramaiah's wife. June 2014, Parvati seeks compensation in lieu of her land being used up by MUDA. January 2022, Parvati gets alternative sites, 14 plots in a Vijayanagar third phase on a 50-50 basis. 14 July 2024, state government sets up a one-man inquiry commission to probe illegalities. 26 July, Governor issues a show-cause notice to Siddaramaiah after being petitioned by social activist T.J. Abraham. 24 September, Karnataka High Court dismisses Siddaramaiah's petition challenging the governor's approval for an investigation against him. There's no question of CM quitting, says the Congress. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on Tuesday said there is no question of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah resigning over the High Court, dismissing his petition challenging Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot's approval for investigation against him in a site allotment case. Shivakumar alleged a big conspiracy against the Chief Minister, asserting that he had done no wrong and would come out clean. When questioned about the BJP's demand for CM's resignation, D.K. Shivakumar said, "There is no question the CM has not done anything wrong. It is politically conspiracy by the BJP against all opposition leaders in the country. This is what is going on." D.K. Shivakumar, who is also the state Congress president, said his party stood by Siddaramaiah, who was doing a good job for the party and the state. Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge and Dinesh Gundu Rao also voiced their support for the CM, emphasizing confidence in his innocence and criticizing the misuse of the governor's office. BJP demands CM's resignation after HC verdict. Following the HC verdict, BJP workers protested across Karnataka demanding Siddaramaiah's resignation. Senior BJP leader Rajiv Chandrasekhar said, "The BJP demands the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah tender his resignation and make way for a free and independent investigation into the allegations of shameful corruption." BJP functionaries, including Union Minister Prahlad Joshi and Shobha Karanlaje, criticized Siddaramaiah for allegedly benefiting from the land allotment and called for his resignation. State BJP Chief B.Y. Vijayendra also echoed these sentiments. The complainants, including T.J. Abraham, Snehamayi Krishna and Pradeep Kumar SP, hailed the Karnataka High Court's verdict, with Abraham noting that they would file a caveat should Siddaramaiah appeal to a higher court. Now, why is this MUDA scam huge? First big scam after Congress's landslide win in 2023 Assembly election. First scam implementing Siddaramaiah directly. Destroys PCM anti-graft plank raised by Congress against BJP. Gives extra ammunition for the opposition to heighten attacks. Puts Siddaramaiah in a spot over resignation. The focus on MUDA and its officials as opposed to directly linking CM Siddaramaiah remains a contentious political issue. If you like the story, please do like, comment and subscribe to the channel. For more latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.